Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of HTML tutorial series, I will show you a simple technique of creating downloadable link. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to make photos, music and video download in single click. So let's see how to do it. To begin coding, first we need to type HTML and body tag. Now let's type some informative text. Now let us use anchor tag. Between anchor tag type the text you want to link. Copy this line. Paste it for 2 times. Now let us set the value of href attribute and first anchor tag. The value of href attribute should be the name of the file you want to be downloaded. In our case, I want this photo to be downloaded when clicked on first anchor element. So I will set the name of this photo, which is myphoto.jpg, as a value of href attribute. Let us set the value of href attribute to myphoto.jpg. Now let us use another attribute called download and set the value of download attribute same as the value of href attribute. So I will set the value of download attribute to myphoto.jpg. Now if someone clicks on third anchor element, I want to make mp4 file to be downloaded. So I will set the value of href and download attribute and third anchor tag to the name of mp4 file. In our case it is myvideo.mp4. Let us set the value of href attribute first, myvideo.mp4. Let us use download attribute and set the value of download attribute same as the value of href attribute. In our case it is myvideo.mp4. Now let us modify informative text to, instead of photo, type here video, and instead of photo and second anchor tag, type music. Now save the file. Click on save button. Save it to desktop and name the file as download.html. Save. Now open the saved file. As you can see, web browser displayed 3 anchor elements. Now if I click on first anchor element, a photo called my photo will be downloaded. Let's check it downloads or not. Click. Now let's open the downloaded file. As you can see, this is downloaded photo. Now let's check second and third anchor element. Now if I click on second anchor element, mp3 file called my music will be downloaded. As you can see, my music.mp3 file is downloaded. And finally, if I click on third anchor element, a video called my video will be downloaded. Let's check it downloads or not. As you can see, video called my video.mp4 is downloaded. Okay guys, this was the way of making the files downloadable. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you have any question, please comment below. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.